Good morning, miss. My name is MG Tilapis and akong topic karon is all about lipids. So what are lipids? So lipids or fats mao ni ang pinaka main storage sa energy sa atong lawas. Kani sila kay fatty or waxy substances nga dili mosolve sa water. Apil ni sila sa four major classes of bioorganic substances. Next is structure and classification. So lipids are defined by their solubility. Dili sila soluble sa water pero soluble sila sa organic solvents. Then lahi pod ilang structure like naay esters, amides, alcohols o pwede cyclic or polycyclic. So tungod ani gi-classify sila in two ways. So first is by function like energy storage, membrane, emulsification, messenger, or protective. The next one is by hydrolysis like saponifiable kung naa sila fatty acids then non-saponifiable kung wala. So unlike carbohydrates o proteins kay ang lipids kay walay common nga structure. Next is types of lipids. So, natay lima ka types of lipids. So, first is the energy storage lipids like triglycerols. Next is membrane lipids like phospholipids, sphingoglycolipids, cholesterol. Next one is the emulsification lipids like bile acids. Next is messenger lipids like steroid hormones or eicosanoids. Then lastly, natay protective coating lipids like biological waxes. Next is fatty acids. So, ang pinaka-common building block sa lipids kay fatty acids. So, usually, even number of carbon atoms ni sila, ug naa sila short chain, medium chain, or long chain. Usually, dili ni sila makita nga free pero part sa complex lipids. Next is saturated versus unsaturated fatty acids. So when you say saturated fatty acids kay wala ni sila double bond. Mao na nga solid sila at room temperature like butter or lard. While unsaturated fatty acids kay na sila double bond mao nga liquid at room temperature like vegetable oil or fish oil. So, monounsaturated kung usar ang double bond. So, then, polyunsaturated kung duha or more. Like, example ani kay omega-3 o omega-6 fatty acids. So, next is physical properties of fatty acids. So, kung taas ang carbon chain, mas dili soluble sila sa water. So, kung taas pud ang chain, mas taas ang melting point. So, saturated fats kay mas solid tungod kay sa tight packing while unsaturated fats kay liquid tungod sa bend sa ilang chain. Next is triglycerides. So, triglycerides, mao ni ang concentrated energy storage sa lawas. Mao ni silang na-store ni sila sa adipose tissue or fat cells. Structure niya kay 1 glycerol connected to 3 fatty acids by ester bonds. Ang common name ani niya kay triacylglycerol. So, next is fats versus oils. So, ang fats of oils, pareha nga triglycerols, pero ang difference nila kay ang state sa room temperature. Kaya ang fats kay like solid usually from animals, mostly saturated, while oils kay liquid usually from plants or fish, mostly unsaturated. Next one is the major chemical reactions of triglycerides. So, natay four ka major reactions. First is the hydrolysis, like paano sila ang mo break down into glycerol and fatty acids. Next one is saponification with base mahimong soap o glycerol. Next one is hydrogenation. Mo ni sila ang moadd hydrogens o oils nga mahimong solid. The next one is oxidation. Marancid or panos nga fat acids or oils. So, membrane lipids. So, membrane lipids includes phospholipids like mo ni sila ang main component sa cell membrane. Next is sphingoglycolipids. Mo ni sila ang gamit for cell recognition and signaling. The next one is cholesterol. Mo ni sila ang nag-control sa fluidity o stability sa membrane, precursor and steroid hormones and bile acids. So, next is emulsification lipids. So, bile acids gikan sa cholesterol giproduce sa liver o gistore sa gallbladder. Mao ni ang ilang role kay emulsify ang dietary fats para mas dali i-digest and absorb sa small intestine. Next is messenger lipids. So messenger lipids are steroid hormones like cortisol, estrogen, testosterone. Like important ni sila sa atong metabolism like reproduction ug stress response. Next one is eicosanoids like mo ni sila ang prostaglandins involved sa inflammation, blood clotting ug smooth muscle contraction. Next one is the protective lipids. So protective coating lipids are biological waxes. Esters ni sila sa long chain fatty acids ug alcohols. So example ani kay cutin sa plants para dili ma-dehydrate og airwax sa tao para protection. So, next is laboratory test. So, naatay daghan test para ma-detect ang lipids. So, first ani kay ang ester test, money for triglycerides. While phosphate test kay for phospholipids. Naputay Lieberman-Borchardt test kay money for cholesterol. Then lastly, natay acrolein test, money siya ang for glycerol. So, that's end my report about lipids. So, dagang salamat. Peace.